We are hiking in Yosemite. This is the crew.
My name is Judy Choi.
He's Jen.
This is Janice.
My name's Agatha Wu.
That's Alicia.
This is Tim.
My name's Stephanie.
Who am I?
And that's the crew. We've encountered our first obstacle.
For the ocean.
Let's go.
I will be long gone by now.
What an adventure. Conquered!
Some kind
Left a man
of
behind.
devotion that brings me down.
We had to use our sweat towels as
These were supposed
foot
to
drying
be
towels.
for my face.
That without my love for the ocean, I will
Bam! Pick me to be a Gymshark model.
no one.
Why are we eating ramen?
Oh, it's our tradition.
Oh, Jen and Janice. All right, so here we are in the middle of the river. You guys are doing phenomenal. First one across! I'm free! We're trapped! To cross the river, like I showed you earlier, you have to cross these steps. They're underwater. We didn't want to take off our shoes again. We've been trying to find other access ways to cross the river, but they all lead to places like this where you're just on another island. We didn't exactly finish the hike. Message, it's about the journey, not the destination. That might have been too cheesy.
Guess my love is for the ocean, not for you.
Help me, help me.